Did you know the bond between dogs and humans is not just emotional, but biological? For thousands of years, dogs have lived alongside people. But modern science is now helping us understand something remarkable. The relationship between dogs and their owners is not simply companionship. It is a deep biological connection shaped by evolution, brain chemistry, and shared social behavior. One of the most important discoveries scientists have made involves a hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin is often known as the bonding hormone because it plays a major role in forming emotional connections between parents and children. Researchers discovered that when dogs and their owners look into each other's eyes, oxytocin levels increase in both species. This creates what scientists call an oxytocin bonding loop. As the dog looks at the owner, oxytocin rises. As oxytocin rises, the owner responds more warmly, which encourages the dog to maintain eye contact even longer. Over time, this loop strengthens attachment and trust between them. Interestingly, this same response does not occur in wolves. In the oxytocin gaze positive loop study shows mutual gaze. When dogs and humans make eye contact, both experience a surge in oxytocin levels. This love hormone creates a positive feedback loop that strengthens the emotional bond. Oxytocin release. Eye contact triggers oxytocin release in both dog and human brains simultaneously. This hormone promotes feelings of trust, attachment, and well-being in both species. Even when they are raised by humans. This suggests that dogs developed this bonding ability during thousands of years of domestication alongside people. In other words, dogs did not just learn to live with humans, they evolved to connect with us. Another important biological factor in the dog-human relationship involves stress regulation. Scientists measure stress using a hormone called cortisol. When cortisol levels are high, the body is experiencing stress or anxiety. Research has shown that when dogs are close to their owners, their cortisol levels decrease. Simply being near a trusted human can help a dog feel calmer and safer. This is one reason dogs often follow their owners from room to room or choose to rest nearby. They are not just seeking attention. They are responding to a biological sense of safety. Even more fascinating is the discovery that dogs' stress levels can synchronize with those of their owners. Studies measuring long-term cortisol levels have found that dogs and humans who live together often show matching patterns of stress over time. This means dogs are not only comforted by their owners, but they are also emotionally connected to their experiences. Dogs also respond to their owners' voices in special ways. Brain imaging studies using safe scanning techniques have shown that when dogs hear their owner's voice, activity increases in the emotional centers of their brains. These responses are stronger than when they hear unfamiliar voices. This suggests that dogs do not simply recognize their owners by sound. They attach emotional meaning to those sounds. Hearing a familiar voice helps them feel secure. Just as hearing a trusted person's voice comforts a child, your dog is not just living with you. They are biologically connected to you.